and I'm looking forward to making it the best. It's been so long I've been back in Ghana to work. It's almost like over 10 years right now that I made a collaboration in Ghana. That's really long. Ghana was a second home for me for a long time. I was always coming here and I love it here. I love my people, I love my colleagues here, all my colleagues here, and both the female and the male colleagues, all of them. And the filmmakers here, I love them because they open the door for us to know us. And I always appreciate them. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. God bless you.
So we about a Kojon Council Lilwin, a country called Ghana, a press conference. And I say, Hana Ebisha, the Nollywood stars, nothing on your normal interact. So far as the movie is concerned, I have F2 hotel and apartment. I had to be a course of Kama. My first time, but I'm loving the view. You're right inside now for young squad in actually. Squad in which I Poleeno Multimedia. The name still remains the fresh boy, Papa J. Young corner feno. You couldn't come on here. Oh, but high nice, so password. High nice. When you're that quiet, you're between them, Cassi player belly. Aha. F2.
I was saying, that's about
you all right, 7 o'clock say you F2 hotel. F2 hotel oh Kumasi I say Uber Kumasi now I'm F2 hotel there and say oh yeah how it's all about a country called Ghana. A movie Kojon Council Lilwin a Nollywood actors aba on your mobile yesa ejumano na and then a press briefing so abibia me akọ successfully yako a Kojon Council School Great Minds International Emma Ramsey Noah Awilo Sharp and then Charles Arom omo nyina timi akọ honom akwakohwe how our school no esi etie and I'm so impressed how our Kojon Council Lilwin in school no AC school anthem omoto general assassin and the same time the national anthem of Ghana no we won't say the guy is really working and even the Nollywood stars in Crown omo surprised omo very very surprised to see say hey an actor from Ghana what me see school say na ombehu niama oye no omo very big surprise pa and hotel or the omo be die so somebody money aso because social hotel na very nice hotel. F2 apartment. Very nice hotel. Yes, F2 apartment, a very nice hotel. Mami nyina hana men kasana amam fo say maba F2. And me buy so manager who me know say oh Papa J, Poleeno Multimedia. It tells you say we are really working. Oh your chairman akoda nyame kwa me hu kra madwuma no na me what you say. O chairman akoda nyame and no so organization or bibia coordinator or bibia kama. It's a movie called country called Ghana. But that's me really safe. My mini manager no any come manager. Bra F2 manager na wa say no. We nyina kire yewia obeyi kire nya de ehu biasa. And then say you come kaka. Manager bia bako there.
Bia bako paji.
Fantastic. But we no.
Your fam na kwasi. My name is Bra and wa say.
Okay. Manager Besmark. Mo manage hotel ha say.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Baby hotel no one no. Who twemu view near very nice pa so when I'm street is called fence view near very nice pa na Kojon Council Lilwin cast so the Nigerian Nollywood stars bremo no chale mo yema hihye mo
oh Debbie because you want a candidacy niema a kire say betumi host obia
okay
in fact Nollywood for no buy no and I be wiase atenka be bring so ya hosting kofo a omo so ya kasefo pa ebia yansheda mo hu de rusa
okay
I will say because F2 one of the finest hotel and apartment ebia benya na Ashanti region
okay
I walk Kwabre south side Pesuaso oba ofri Kumasi eba utra akom kodie akom customs checkpoint wa unsendi faso ofri tachima offense so ba unya tra hinkro ase ho customs wa unsen bunkum so F2 elwo dan fe omaduane restaurant omo apartment emu edan ya wo ha ya conference ya gym ya pool side what just say okra buy okra what be bring
me ram da be do say I'm really impressed.
No, won't for
I'm really impressed.
Somebody like Rams Noah, now man baby answer on na on number na ninyin sa.
Yeah.
Rams ni atra ha ko be 4-5 days ni.
Yeah.
On complaining.
Wow.
Wife
complaining.
Obian complaining.
We are not comfortable here.
No. Obian complaining. Aduane bi o mo pa bia ye na kama.
Good.
Chef near international standard.
Okay.
Enti otumie all this is bia.
Okay.
Because Papa Yesu to any share most abrofo kra wo
around near there. I can see say abrofo ni bi wo ha no me hu Jamaicans bi wo ha me ba no me di nkomo.
And so it means enya de a eye adeketua bi kra no mo di wo ha kra. Dabi. F2 ya de a like ya bomodin say pese ya som asanteman, ya som Ghana man, ya de tourism no ekọ akiri.
Yeah, fantastic.
Obi obaba Ghana bia no o de Ghana din e na beba Ghana. Yes, ma wo de Ghana din akọ bia wo de kọ. Na kire bi say wo ma wo nua bia ba now who said there be a safe place.
F2
security
apartment.
Best because on to me foreigners and abra we need security papa bia wa say and the security best 247 ejina so.
Wow.
Security cameras be bia ya adwuma.
Wow, pool so very nice.
Very nice. But bia da papa J. Ura hakra ba say like hey edi ani.
Yeah. Hakra Science System sports complex be I say very beautiful.
Look at event center class and what.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, where the nipa say 500. Oh, Papa J. Yes, I will be
here. Show because 23rd March.
23rd March. Kojo can say YP or Skyface.
Wow, J
Stone.
Okay.
1 year anniversary. Papa J, say buy NJ.
Oh, yeah, beba.
Oh, but anyama, Papa J, I know within America Creway no. Oh, it is a hospitality industry no omyam sisi omo but we cry for we are the kitu abi na 1 year mponi so the oba say works be brave ho e koso
wow manager o nkomo no de me no betina say me no be sure that tina say
sure Papa J
na ma time na rooms no one after the other na ma wogo na manfo ho ye kan say no we ka say what's how the bra be setup room setup furniture
yeah Papa J e contain obia
wow
ya hwe nim say e bia and election year this year one of your presidential aspirant for no
omokoto
ombe pass
omo hwe Poleeno Multimedia they will come
yeah
omo hwe yan kwan
enye hu dan na beka say e bia bo kase bi da bi ye nema wo form Poleeno e bia ya affordable event bra ye beka ho asem kakra bia wo bia betumi no wa event no ye wo sound wo ha ye wo enema ebeboa wa ha sei enkonwa bibia be successful ya host to event wa ha ya bo medical wa ha ya bo say chrome ya bo YP ya bo kwaku flake ya bo strong man woni akadia wontumi nkofo we mu nyina ma
it's true
Papa J na wo kra woni akadia betu akofo aba
dabi nka me ma
Papa J wo so
me ba no me share sin
Papa J wo ya big
very nice thank you very much my
na Papa J Ghana ha
bloggers say mo share am pay room bi ma me na me da ha ba ko
all
right here F2 management energy ye di encommon enye nu dwa keke we de o besia conference so a utra customs for checkpoint na obetu we said F2 very nice edifice we de brem na fo we ni be hwa de na wo ba ha ba ye ofie what you say and we are just here to have a chat with some of the guys or more. We have the Nigerian actors here, Ramsey Noah, Charles Aram, and then Awilo. You know, we komo kakra. Many kojon kasale we speak. Hi, Poleeno Multimedia. Obi pemo mo handles be mo number be.
Papa J
for reservations.
Sure. Open here and then video ni so no. www.f2apartment.com.
Okay.
www.f2apartment.com. O login in na. O be hu F2 number bia wo ho. O be hu F2 numbers no e wo ho. Na o sign pay bia reservation bi. Na bia o wa akira.
Kasa bebre do ma chairman so kasa kaka. Chairman mo numbers ne mo social media handles ne obetimi nyina to juja na obi emrasi abrochi for ne ba.
Oh, say o amanone.
But you betimi asom no akasa. O de som no wa akasa na.
So o amanone. O Ghana dua wi ntu kwankwa achi. Now that's why here numbers no simple Ghana number 0540 81 0018 0540 81 0018
okay
anytime I be free bia no ya da kra ya be sorry na ya bi puno na ma and I say bia o control ma say the me manager panyin kan website f2hotelapartment.com bookings bia no betimi afa no so and additional numbers so a obetimi asa fresh say bia first number ne nkwa 0244 11 8851.
Okay.
0244 11 8851.
All right. Yeah, that's a pa. With the me and I'm saying I'm a freestyle. What you say? We can we $80 million. What is that? Yes, that's a pa. All right. Titi, you ha say you mama hunyama you koso ha. I wish Nigerian for Nollywood actors have fun or pa. You're having fun over there. Bibi you koso kama F2. Enti yeah press conference today we there are refreshments kakra amount for to be gangster to be on a handle Kujon Cancer the movies are watching to be gangster one of the best DOPs we have in Ghana right now. When I was in boy now I'm a born no on the why media on a born no. Okay, no.
Who has inarguably become a household name and a poster for African movie. Ladies and gentlemen, I know your appetite is wet to see him here on the podium. A round of applause to, of course, the man, Ramsey Noah!
Hello, how are you? So great to be here. Thanks, guys, for coming through. First and foremost, let me recognize all the members of the press here. Thank you so very much. It's a great honor to meet you. You are one of the strongholds in the foundation of media. I know you know that. You either can make it or you can mar it. And with you, that's the reason why we also do the movies. So, visual way of pushing filmmaking and way of news to the people. So positively or negatively, it all impacts. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for coming. Please clap for yourselves. Thank you. Also, a big round of applause for the guy that made this very possible, Lilwin. Please, a big round of applause. To all my Nigerian colleagues here, please, another big round of applause to Mr. Charles, Mr. Victor, the AGN press representing the Nigerian actors here in Ghana. Thank you guys. Of this country called Ghana. I will not take your time. My colleagues have mentioned, they've spoken their as regards what they want you to understand about the collaboration. The collaboration is in no form. I'm just going to reiterate. I'm not going to push necessarily. It's in no form competition. This is not football. This is not AFCON, guys. Calm down. This is information. We're just peddling information and talking about our history. It's not football where we'll be hitting on each other. No. This is film. And film is all, telling your history and showcasing your story, how you feel it, and your emotions and whatever, to the world. And that's telling people what you stand for, how you greet here, how you interact here, your language, and what it is, you tell it to the world. This is a bilateral relationship. It's the same way Ghana and Nigeria in politics with each other. There are things in Nigeria that you guys want and you go get, and there are things in Ghana that Nigerians want that they come here to get. And those things is what you refer to as bilateral, right? And it's a relationship economically and politically that cuts across all countries in the world. I like the fact that somebody here used my brother. Why do you need Africa, for the love of God? Why? It's a question I keep asking ourselves, but we call ourselves brothers. We call ourselves neighbors, but we don't treat ourselves as such. Why? When would that change? If you go with this mindset and this impression that, I am this, I am that, I am that. No. You're not my brother then. You're not my brother, I'm sorry. If you're my brother, we're the same. And that's what I stand for. I don't think I need visa to go to Kenya, to Ghana, to Ethiopia. I think it's about time we make it a one village. We work together for each other, because that's the only way. The unity and the unification of the black man and the black skin is the only way, and I can guarantee you that unequivocally, without a doubt, that's the only way we can and not be enslaved to our mentality. The white man makes us want to believe. Please take that home. I beg of you, take it home. It's very important. We must take away that slave mentality. We are one. That's what I stand for. I am here as an actor in this film, A Country Called Ghana, and I'm looking forward to making it the best. It's been so long. I've been back in Ghana to work. It's almost like over 10 years right now that I made a collaboration in Ghana. That's really long. Ghana was a second home for me for a long time. I was always coming here and I love it here. I love my people, I love my colleagues here, all my colleagues here, and both the female and the male colleagues, all of them. And the filmmakers here, I love them because they open the door for us to know of us. And I always appreciate them. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. God bless you.
A round of applause for the man. And if you have followed the speeches we've had so far from our colleagues from the other side, there is one word that has been running in their speeches, and that is collaboration. From today, anything Ghana, Nigeria, the word competition we raise for gentlemen. Oga is here with us. Put your hands together. Yes, the Oga himself, the legendary, is here. Name, I don't also want to risk it. I don't want to risk Oga. Oga Chas.
The surname we go mention.
Please.
You must mention them by.
Put your hands together for the legend, ladies and gentlemen.
I don't know why my name is giving them problems. My people, I have something against you. Whenever something like this, you check people that are coming. Before you put on something like, check the height of the people you have invited. Check the height.
If you want to talk to me,
I am not calling anybody's name. I am not calling anybody's name. But what I say is check the height of the people so that when they see them. First of all, in mind when I was coming here, and my brother just said it. We are here. There is no Nigeria. There is no Ghana. We are just one African brothers. And we are here for the purpose. We are here to grow the industry. We are here to tell the outside world, the white man, that we have something better than them. The production, the entertainment production, film production in the world, the white man has 80% studio work, but we have 80% live work. What they cannot go through it. They sit in a place and produce, you see, and you wonder. Come, we use it. We don't have computers. If we have equipment as big as this, my brothers, we will go far. And when they invite people like Ramsey Noah, Victor Swagu to come out in your production, it is you. It is not to grow. It is to grow you. And without them, your film will not go around the world. And it's for them to see those who are coming up and see, we have been there. We have been there. Our faces were used. Our faces were used to sell film. Bring upcomers. Now, most of those upcomers, we cannot even get to where they are. Then, those upcomers at that time, if they are said that, why did you bring this face? You won't sell. A country called Ghana to sell. And we have to do our work, my brother. I am not looking at your working. I am trying to grow myself. Well, nowhere. Still trying. So when I am not grow, when I go on stage, you'll be surprised, who is this? I am in Ghana to work. I am in Ghana to make Lilwin. My friend. He's been my friend for so many years. We don't know. We've not seen. We've not seen. But he's been my friend. This is my first time of seeing when I got to the airport. And I was so happy about it. So happy. Somebody who is being TikTok. TikTok, he's been my. But when it comes to begin to shout because I know what is next. Oh, bim. So, myself as brothers, not as Ghanaian, not as Nigerians. If you're in the set with us, if you look at us, you will fail. Look at yourself and know the powers you have. We have individual talents, and we use it to make ourselves. When you grow, they will use you to sell other. That is it. The press, we don't come, we don't land. We are to the movie, A Country Called Ghana. It is you that will sell it. It is you. No matter the shout we do, no matter what we do, it is with your help that we will sell. If you like Lilwin, do what you can. Post everything. Push everything to the world. Let the white man know that we have people here. Let them know that we are here to do more than they can do. If given an enabling environment, we'll beat them. Thank you very much. I don't have more to say.
Thank you very much. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. To the men.
Managers, forgive me, I'll vote my language, please. With my language, I can't stop myself. I want to stop myself, I'll vote my language. Good afternoon. Numubiaha Sunday. Idikai Unyakopansi. Sending it Asia Baku. La media for Ghana TV station in Mashawa. And never to my paya Baba country. Yamishram Makagana moving industry. And we say, I say, Sansi nyinano senya yuria akensen fata baby na nempen for fat ya ni pipi fumbai ana best the past be 5-7 years artist ye ina jai na film akopon phones e be film akopesent TV station presenters e to so sansi aduma na ganwa ko host o TV station da sansi akofom ni tino. That is part of Ghana baby. Baby, the meeting in movie trap. I'm going to be I'll try myself to do what I was doing for my Ghana people. Now, who say you trap a job before you trap a panel, you trap a processing. A lot of movies are young pop can be 7 billion. Ubisa said, you are in Kabu. The question is more and the same and you might be out here in the cocoa to do. As I said, see, no, we pay ya, who be yes, and send waiting. But you must be young fan. Let a woman. I'm a choir, they are good, yes, never can Vanda. I'm an 1 hour, 8 years. Baby, meeting me at the Netflix.
A round of applause for that.
What do you have? Mr. Rosno, Mr. Charles, and Mr. I put this movie Netflix. And said you are Netflix, yeah. No one said it's a set equipment team. Any equipment na it made a international. Tell you maybe canvas a mono air traffic in Betiano at the Abitra. Sound mono and 2 directors 4 say 5 and then became a from Gabi home. na adwuma no atumi akɔ so obi na so yɛ mo sɛ Robert obi bia so that is obi so ɛbɔ no mmɔden obi yɛ pɛ ɛsɛ sika ɛbɛsɛ adwuma no ɛtu mpɔ kɔ n'anim ɛna for 3 ɛsane sɛ ɛpɛ ne yɛnti no ɔba Ghana pɛdi wo gyina so strong wa ɛwɔ Ghana brakwa ne Ivan Abanya ɔno so na ɛbɛtena kyiri amonita the whole cameras na ɛyɛ adwuma no ɔno so yɛ mo nti adwuma deɛ yɛbɛserɛ mo sɛ ɛsɛ yɛtwa wie na tim na yile kɛkɛ nyina mo mpaeɛ nti ɛkyi na adwuma no tim ma wie I hope sɛ ɛkɔ net street ana anko pa baba mu mɛyɛ sɛ baakɔ ankɔ second ankɔ busu yɛ ɛmo aba mu one day ɛnya kɔ so deɛ anɛ mo papa yɛbɛsɛ meka sɛ mesrɛ mo sɛ Ghana fo ni sɛ ne mu bɛsi baabia no yɛbi ka sɛ yɛhwɛ ne bɛsi Kumawood saa na believe man director sɛ wɔ ha sɛ adwuma wei deɛ mɛserɛ mo sɛ ɔmo nyinaa na deɛ ɔsɛ mo yɛ bia no mame na mesɛ nyame nti nyame nim akoma mu gyame so mɛyɛ obiara mbɛhyɛ no tene serɛ mo mediafoɔ wei ne sɛ ɛpumoto kɔ yɛnim mene kɔhyɛ sɛ kɔ Ghana deɛ a ade nti Nigeria nko aba the whole Ghana stars, you know. It be the next one, it be the American movie, promo to Fatana for the flat. And was a mutual, you know, for Nigeria. Mommy, now by a basso. When she in crying, you buy a fashion even I make Hannah have may have dinner do. But somebody will call me. Yes, I demand. I will for each other to get you know. Messi, Esther, alive. And you see, tomorrow morning I'm fast. My legends.
Round of applause for them.
I'm happy because I'm watching them on my young. Legends. By the grace of God, the time is up. Today, I'm with them. Happy to see my superstars. I'm also these are the legends. Abba.
Thank you. And there's one thing I want to put across real quick before we draw the curtains on today's Meet the Press. A country that does not during night. Now, if you want to be part of the engagement at Great Mind, we have made provision for buses to bus all media people. Please, let's wrap up with a vote of thanks.
I would also like to thank the executive producer, Mr. Lilwin, popularly known as Lilwin, the director of this project, Mr. Frangabi, and the co-directors, all the crew, and the cast from top to down. All is well that ends well. Finally, I leave you with an inspiring quote by Henry Ford that says, "Coming together is unity, keeping together is progress, working together is success." As we all reflect to a very display
No. Close it. That's all. Directors. No. What do you mean?
Me the killer in the family in America.
Very, very nice.
All right.
We done?
Yeah.